Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I get work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Saluphukewa nayo ke wena ngamani ufalwe word of God vele ungasigoboli hey acha
thanking the occasion. Mama. Yes. So thank you so much for coming and taking the time just to come here. It's the celebratory message from family and friends.
Okay, for everyone, I target my class. Kulumela. DJ, nothing shit. I'm quiet now.
people will be like but I wish I can already close.
Yeah,
Yeah, see, Shy, you say, welcome to third floor, girl.
You know?
First, I look to the silence. So you four listening another, but I think we're missing one. Yeah. Banga 93. Well, to you, my sister, may the Lord bless you. Don't get difficult after defense again. Your heart's desires, everything. You know, we push. Keep pushing, don't give up. That's all. Like, that flow is now age. There's no time to waste anymore. Don't go in there, go watch it, go in there. You know, how can I put it? Yeah, you know, it can't be less of like, we need to prioritize that. We're mothers, we've got kids, let's just raise our kids. What else can I say? God bless you, enjoy your day. Thank you for the invite. And yeah, stand over, guys. Don't ever do this to me again. Ora guys, sanela kancane.
Okay, ladies. Alright. Toast to love. To love. Okay, let's toast to God's favor.
God's favor.
Let's toast to success. And
Success.
and
honor.
Thank you.
Cheers to Betty. Cheers.
friends, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back to an unboxing video. Today we're unboxing my 30th birthday party gifts I received last Saturday from my family and friends. If you're new here, my name is Samgelisiwe, and I recently hosted a birthday party back home with my family and friends, and these are my gifts. I had a mini wish list which consisted of a few items that are on my phone. I can't read them right now, and also please excuse the lighting. We're currently load shade, and I really want to unbox this so I can pack them away since I'm going away. So let's do this. Hey, we are load shade. It's raining outside. It's just there's a lot happening. So I'm gonna start with this cutie from Era. So my friend got me this little gift, and I know exactly what's inside. It's a dust bag. These are some Era earrings that I should pack for. Guys, the attention to detail. Can you see this? Oh, mini luxuries. I'm gonna put these on just to try them on. Thank you so much, my friend. I just hope I'm not wasting time because the rain might come back and y'all are not gonna hear me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stunning, the rain is back. So it's raining, but it's raining softly. It's not raining softly anymore. I'm not sure if you can hear me, and I'm not trying to speak over this rain now. I'm really not sure how to proceed.
Yeah.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no Kumaye. Niggas be past tense. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up? But this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.E.
rain has stopped for a little bit, but I just wanted, it hasn't stopped, but I think I can speak over the rain to just say I'm going to keep bees until I get to a point where I feel like my home is where I want it to be. Thank you so much, Pams. I hope this is you. And then and then this came in this bag, which is from Talisay, my cousin. So it's Lavender Luxury by Also Heavenly luxury vanity bag. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's open this cutie up. I love that my friends and cousins got me pampering items, which is exactly what I need this weekend. Some pamper time. Okay, this is the bag opened up, and we have a foam bath. Ooh, can't wait. A body wash from Also Heavenly and softening body lotion. I think I'm gonna try these tonight. They look and smell divine. Lavender leather, lavender therapy. I'm gonna try this tonight and put them in our bathroom. And then I think I'm going to try and use this bag as a makeup bag. Hopefully my stuff can fit in here. Thank you, Kaz. All these gifts are so thoughtful. Okay, one last gift before the rain bashes us. Okay, this big gift is from Happiest Birthday, Sweetheart. Ukule says, wishing you all the best in your life's journey from Mama Bulelani. My niece's mom. So technically my niece got me this. Ooh. Baby. This is cute, but I think it's tiny. I'm usually an XL in gowns and those type of things, but it looks cute and fluffy. I think I can also try and exchange it because she left this thing on, right? Not sure. I'm not sure. So this is the end of the video. I have unboxed everything from my birthday, and I really love these different gifts. They are so thoughtful, and they'll come in very handy in a few areas of my life. Thank you so much to everyone who took their money and time to go out and, you know, purchase me these cute gifts. I also like this cup. I need to have like an office setup where I can use this in the mornings. And I also like this candle. It's a verbena bergamot geranium amber cedarwood. I can smell the cedarwood. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, hit that like button. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you haven't watched my other videos, go ahead and binge watch. Thank you so much. Bye.